Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist, doing this twisty kitty. Kind of a goofy position, getting all bathed up. So we'll just get the shapes in there. And it's just kind of fun doing these limbs going in all kind of different directions. The general idea first, and then we start defining things a little bit. But this is a gesture drawing, so it's not going to be a real polished drawing. I just love the look of the loose gesture drawing. And if you don't totally get it all the right perfect angles or everything, it might look like kitty's falling over, but that might have been the next frame, because they kind of do when they get into these positions like this, don't they? So it kind of adds to the charm. And I'll start shaping things a little better here. And I get a line for those eyes in and just pop them in. That little nose. And I put a tiny bit of a tongue in there, and you can't really see the tongue, but that being said, we know that when a cat's in a position like this, that tongue is out licking the paw. So, you know, the eye tells the brain that there is a tongue there, even if you can barely see it. And it would be very easy to overdo it, and then it would stand out too much. You just want to keep it simple in a little gesture drawing like this. Refine things a little. Not too much. Less is more, so I'm thinking about each line at this stage. And is there a cat in a different position that you'd like to learn how to draw? I love to know what kind of positions you want to draw cats in, and it's fun to try a lot of different positions. So drop me a comment, put video idea in capital letters, and I'll do my best to get it on here. Pop those whiskers in, and then we're just refining a little at the end here. And I kind of did a bit of shading around the bottom, just kind of to plant the kitty so kitty doesn't look like it's just floating in midair. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.